third, and Nancy's taking her kayak out for her solo, her maiden voyage. There she is. She said, "Oh Lord," here we go. And there she is. She's scooting herself down in the water, and she has lifted off. And woohoo! We now have out in the water, and there she is. And Sarah and I are out at Stumpy Lake. We saw a snake. And there's Nancy. Of course, she is bird watching. But she's kind of doesn't have a camera, which is really unusual. But she has been texting out here. But there she is. She's loving her new kayak. And right there's a little baby, or a bird on the end. And it's got a dragonfly in its mouth. He's chewing it up. I think these are kingbirds, but I'm not sure. I can't get a good front view of them. How's your maiden voyage?
It's amazing. I mean, you can sneak right up on birds, and they're just like that's the bottom right there. That's the bottom of the lake at South Beach. And the draft on these is really high, low. Very stable and easy to paddle.
It's a herring, and he's stalking a fish. And you see in a minute, he's gonna grab it. And did he get it? Yes. Back from her maiden voyage.